Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Sheldon here again. Today I'm going to take a look at a wireless charging pad that is cheaper and has the same features as the OEM Apple Magsafe charger for the iPhone 12. This is the MOSONTH wireless charging pad, and it retails for around $29.99. I'd like to thank MOSONTH for sending this charging pad out so I can give an honest review. So let's unbox, set up, and test the MOSONTH Magnetic Charging Pad with my iPhone 12 mini. So this is a Magsafe compatible charger that can be used with iPhone 12 series of phones and other wireless capable charging devices. What's cool about this charger is the price. For less than you pay for one Apple Magsafe charger, you are getting two MOSONTH wireless charging pads. First off in the box, you have a multilingual user manual and an information support card. Now looking at the MOSONTH charging pad itself, you can actually see that you get two of them, which is pretty unusual, but a welcome surprise when buying a wireless charger. So some specs of these wireless charging pads are the 3.3 feet USB-C cable. The charging pads feel pretty premium and give a look of the Apple's MagSafe charger. It's supposed to charge your iPhone 12 fully in about 3.2 hours. And of course, it stays safe and cool. But to charge your iPhone 12, you're going to need a USB-C charger to go with the MOSONTH wireless chargers. The USB-C charger is not included in the box, and MOSONTH recommends nothing less than an 18-watt charger so you can take full advantage of the charging capabilities of this wireless pad at 10 watts. So I bought this Aki black 20-watt charger to go with these wireless chargers, and it's been working out pretty good. So I'll leave an Amazon link down below where you can pick one of these up for yourself. So connecting my iPhone 12 mini is easy, and once connected, the MOSONTH wireless pads instantly start charging with a nice, tight, and strong seal. Even when holding it by just the cord of the magnetic wireless charger, the magnets held together very strong. Using MagSafe cases which are less than 6mm thick, like my clear case here, the wireless charging pad has no problem charging the phone, although the magnet doesn't hold as tightly onto the phone as when I didn't use a case. I then tested it with another case, the Mag Easy case, which is MagSafe compatible, and it had the same result. So to get the strongest grip with the charger, your best bet is to use no case, although I don't think people are going to be swinging around their phone by the charger pad anytime soon. The charger also worked well with my other iPhone, the XR. Of course, the magnetic features didn't work with the phone. The charger's capabilities were perfectly acceptable. But you can see this charger is tailored to the iPhone 12s to get maximum results. A little about the pad itself. It has 3 levels of max charge depending on your wireless device. 5 watts, 7.5 watts, and 10 watts at the max. It's got 16 magnets, overcharge and overheating protection, and it's small and portable and easy to carry. So that was a look at the MOSONTH wireless magnetic charging pad. Overall, I really like this device, and I think for $29.99 you're getting a good deal. Especially you get 2 of them. If you don't want to spend the $39 for an Apple MagSafe OEM charger and maybe want to have multiple chargers all around your office or home, this company's charger really fits the bill. Of course, you have to purchase a separate USB-C charger with this device, but that seems to be the way of all companies now making this type of product. As always, I'll leave an Amazon link in the description to the products I use in this unboxing. Any questions, comments about the MOSONTH wireless charging pad? Please leave them down below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell for more Shell Tech reviews. Thanks for watching.